Hi, I'm Samantha Christofferson, co-founder of KW Professional Organizers. I just want to say congratulations from me and also my cameraman Emilio today. We want to say thank you for getting all the way to the end of this video and for giving yourself permission to take time to create a bullet journal and create this space for yourself. A little bit of planning can go a long way. So basically, if you're here, it means you've probably created your bullet journal, you figured out how many pages you needed, you've kind of had some fun, or just basically started using a system and you're testing an idea to see if it's going to work for you. The bullet journal's not for everyone, but maybe you find some sort of modification to it that really works for you. Or maybe you say, hey, you know what? I was really good on my phone, and although sometimes it's a bit distracting, it actually works better for me and I can maintain it better. Whatever you choose, it's totally okay. But if you're like me, you kind of like the bullet journal, you like the ability to get a little creative, add a little color into your life, and that's a lot of fun. How does this all work? Emilio and I are co-founders of KW Professional Organizers. We offer a lot of content, and I just want to make you aware of it, that we have a blog where we post at least one weekly blog, and it's generally on the topic of personal, home, or business organization. We work with people one-on-one in our community, but we have moved into a coaching program, which is virtually available anywhere in the world, where we try and help you move past any roadblocks that you might be on in all areas of your life. It's why we wrote a book, A Recipe for an Extraordinary Life. And we believe very much in the ability that when you plan a little bit and you vocalize or write down your goals and your hopes and your inspirations and your dreams, they are that much closer to coming true. So if you want to take it to the next step, you can go ahead and follow us on any of our social medias, which are attached below. If you're doing bullet journaling stuff, please tag us in your stuff. We will retweet it. We will share it. We will be so proud to just kind of see the work that you're doing. And again, you can follow along and watch the things that I'm doing over the next course of this year with the bullet journal as well. You can contact us if you'd like more information about that coaching program. It's called Hitting the Reset Button. If you are interested in more courses, we have several on our website that you can check out and you can learn from. And we're just really excited to be able to feel passionate about what we're sharing here, and hopefully have provided you with a really good foundation and starting point to creating a successful journaling habit. Anything else that I wanted to add is just make sure that you have fun. If it's not something that you're enjoying, ditch it. It's not the right system for you. Keep looking and never give up on trying to figure out what it is that you would like to do with this wonderful and special life and time that you have been given. And if this helps bring you closer to it, I'm very, very happy. If you have any constructive feedback of how to make this course better, or something that might be missing, or something that you can share with the community, I encourage you, please let us know. Please post it. Please tag us in anything or any place that you want to offer it. If you enjoyed the course, I really, really would love if you could share why you liked it and what you got from it in a review. It's one of our best ways to be able to keep producing content. So please, if you can take 2 minutes, please send a review on the course. And I look forward to seeing your creations.